So, what language should you choose for your YouTube channel? Is it the mother tongue or it's the universal language English? So, I also got this quite a bit of confusion over there while starting my YouTube channel. So, my mother tongue is. Before getting into it, you should watch this funny clip right here. Hey guys, MKT here.
ஹெல்மெட் போடாம வெட்டி உட்கார்ந்து நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கறியா?
மா YouTube மா.
விளக்குமாறு பிஞ்சிருமா?
விளக்குமாறு எடுத்து ஒளிச்சிட்டு. Some might have guessed it. My mother tongue is Tamil. Then why should I choose English? What are all the benefits of using a mother tongue in YouTube channel? So, is the language a barrier for conveying the thoughts in YouTube channel? Please watch it till the end in order to get my views about it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go. There are around 76 million Tamil people all over the world, and we have in India we have around 7 crores of people. So then why should I choose English? So what's the reason behind it? So of course my English is not that much good and attractive. Still I am learning to improve it. As I am starter, frankly speaking, I thought it would give me some reach if I choose English and convey my thoughts about it in English. So that's not the case. And I got some inspirations from MKBHD and Mr. Who's the Boss. So of course they are American YouTubers, so English must be fluent for them. In addition to that, they use some tech words and complex words, which is I even don't know the meaning of it, and I googled it in order to get the app meaning for that. For example, Mr. Mustabas used the term calling, so I googled it in order to get the meaning, which means a force of attraction kind of meaning. So that's it. Then some incidents happened. So I was in Mumbai for 1.5 years. I'm an IT employee, of course. So I don't know Hindi at the time. So while giving an intro, someone will come and talk to me in Hindi. The other guy used to say that, "अरे यार, इसको हिंदी पता नहीं, चेन्नई वाला आदमी है," like that. They used to comment about it. So sentimentally, I choose English. So of course I'm an IT employee, and if I choose English, it will be great opportunity, and it will help me out in case I get an on-site opportunity. So that's it. I started my first video with English. Some might not understand English. For them, it's better to use mother tongue. With mother tongue, we can describe the specifications of the product more clearly, and moreover, it boosts our confidence level to some extent. So we can go with the flow, and we can't get stuck in the middle. So some of the inspirations who use mother tongue as their language or Technical Guruji and Tamil Tech Bro, they are doing good YouTube videos, and they give more technical details of the product in their respective mother tongue. So of course they are big YouTubers. They use costly and expensive equipments and softwares to edit. I have only phone and InShot app. So mother tongue will help us improve our confidence and convey the details more clearly. So in my sense, language should not be a barrier to express our contents and views. So content and presentation are more important in order to become successful in YouTube. So content should be like this.
Kiss me, close your eyes, miss me. Close your eyes and kiss me.
Like this, viewers should feel the content and presentation of your videos. It should trigger them to watch more of your videos. So if your video is good and people love it, you will automatically will become successful and you will get more subscribers in YouTube. So finally, according to me, whatever the language we choose, the content and presentation are very important. How you are presenting your content, that is much more important than choosing a language. So language should not be a barrier to express your views in YouTube. So that's it guys. Entity signing off. Take care.